Good morning. In the last class, we discussed serial ladder. That serial ladder, we discussed how many bit can be added, and we discussed serial ladder with accumulator with time slots T0, T1, T2, like that. We discussed in the last class, and how serial ladder works. We discussed. We know that serial ladder is cheaper than compared to the parallel ladder. One by one bits are added in the serial ladder. Two group of bits are added in the serial ladder. For examples, bits A0, A1, A2, A3, like that, and bits B0, B1, B2, B3, like that bits are added. Now we are going to discuss about the in this class parallel ladder. Recap. Recap. What is half adder? What is half adder? A half adder is a logic circuit that adds two binary bits. What is full adder? A full adder is a logic circuit that adds three binary bits. For both full adder and half adder, there are two output known as sum and carry. Objectives. On completion of this period, you will be able to understand implementation of 4-bit parallel adder using full adders. Working of 4-bit parallel adder using full adders. Truth table of half adder. It has two inputs A and B, two outputs sum and carry. The two input combinations are 2 power 2 equal to 4 combinations we get. They are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. For 0 0 combinations of input, carry 0, sum 0. For 0 1 combination of inputs, carry 0, sum 1. For 1 0 combination, carry 0, sum 1. For 1 1 combination, carry 1, sum 0. Two table of full adder. See, actually, now we are going to discuss about parallel adder. Parallel adder means what? A group of bits are added parallelly. That is called as parallel adder. A group of bits adding means just before that we should discuss about adder. What adders are available? Half adder, full adder. Hence, we are focusing on half adder truth table and full adder truth table. In full adder truth table, in full adder we add 3 bits at a time. For 3 bits, combinations of 3 bits, 2 power 3, we get 8 combinations. That is 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 double 1, 1 double 0, 1 0 1, double 1 0, triple 1. For these combinations, for 0 0 combination, for 3 0 combination, carry 0, sum 0. For 0 0 1 combination of input, carry 0, sum 1. For 0 1 0 combination of input, carry 0, sum 1. For 0 1 1, carry 1, sum 0. For 1 double 0 combination, carry 0, sum 1. For 1 0 1 combination, carry 0, sum 0. Carry 1, sum 0. For 1 1 0 combination, carry 1, sum 0. For triple 1 combination, carry 1, sum 1. This is the Truth table of full adder. No, 4-bit parallel adder using full adders. Four-bit parallel adder. A binary adder is a logic circuit that can add two binary numbers. The binary operation performed by the 4-bit parallel adder can be explained with the help of below example. Example is given here. Let the two binary numbers that are to be added are C3, C2, C1, C0, B3, B2, B1, B0, S3, S2, S1, S0, CS, CR, CQ, CP. Symbol of parallel binary adder. That is shown parallel adder block. Two inputs A, B, outputs sum, carry out and C in. It means there are three inputs A, B, C in and two outputs sum and carry out. Four-bit parallel adder. A binary adder is a logic circuit that can add two binary numbers. The binary operation performed by the 4-bit parallel adder can be explained with the help of below example. Let the two binary numbers that are to be added are C0, C1, C2, C3, A0, A1, A2, A3, B0, B1, B2, B3, S0, S1, S2, S3, CP, CQ, CR, CS. Here AI equal to A3, A2, A1, A0 is known as AND. BI equal to B3, B2, B1, B0 is known as AND. SI equal to S3, S2, S1, S0 is known as sum. C0, C1, C2, C3 is known as input carry. Ci plus 1 equal to Cp, Cq, Cr, Cs known as output carry. Additions of LSBs. Here FA0 full adder 0 showing carry out some BA inputs C in input. That equal to half adder a full adder with one grounded input act as an half adder. A full adder with one grounded input act as half adder. Four-bit parallel adder using full adders. Full adder 0, full adder 1, full adder 2, full adder 3. For full adder 0, A0, B0 bits are allocated. In full adder 1, A1, B1 bits. For full adder 2, A2, B2 bits. For full adder 3, A3, B3 bits are assigned. C output of F0 is given to the C input of F1, and C out of F1 is given to the C in of F2, and C out of F2 is given C in of F3. And S0, S1, S2, S3 are shown. It means A0 bit is added with the B0 bit, A1 bit is added with the B1, A2 bit is added with the B2, A3 bit is added with B3 bit. Here Cin is 0 in this diagram. Here Cin is 0 means what? It is a full adder, but one input is grounded, means it acts as half adder which has 2 bits only, A0, B0. And all other adders FA1, FA2, FA3 are acting as full adders only. For adding LSBs, either half adder or full adder is used. The carryout of each full adder is connected to the carry input of the next higher full adders. Working of 4-bit parallel adder using full adders. The working can be explained with two binary numbers that are to be added are input carry Ci equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, A equal to 1, 0, 1, 1, B equal to 0, 0, 1, 1. And for the full adder 0, inputs are A0 equal to 1, B0 equal to 1 and C0 equal to 0. It produces sum 0, carry 1. If it produces sum 0, carry 1, carry is forwarded to the next higher bit. Here the bits are assigned here 1 1 1 1, 0 0, 0 0 1. Then S0 equal to 0, S1 equal to 1, S2 equal to 1, S3 equal to 1, output S4 0. For the full adder 1, inputs are A1 equal to 1, B1 equal to 1, and the carry from full adder 0 is C1 equal to 1. It produces S1 equal to 1, carry C2 equal to 1. For third full adder, inputs are A2 0, B2 0, C2 1. It produces S2 equal to 1, carry equal to 0. Similarly, for the fourth full adder, inputs are A3 1, B3 0, C3 0. It produces sum S3 equal to 1, carry equal to C4 equal to 0. It produces sum S3 equal to 1 and carry C4 equal to 0. If input carry equal to 0 1 1 0, IGEN equal to 1 0 1 1, AND equal to 0 0 1 1, Cout sum equal to 1 1 1 0. 1011 plus 0011 is equal to 01110. Number of full adders to add two n-bit numbers. By using more full adders, we can build binary adders of any length. An n-bit adder requires n full adders with each output carry connected to the input carry of the next higher order full adder. For example, to add 16-bit numbers, we need 16 full adders. We have discussed implementation of 4-bit parallel adder using full adders. Working of 4-bit parallel adder using full adders. This is summary we discussed in this class. Quiz. A logic circuit that can add two numbers. Option A, binary adder. Option B, subtractor. Option C, inverter. Option D, none. It is called binary adder. Hence, our right answer is option A. A logic circuit that can add two numbers is binary adder. Second quiz. A logic circuit that accepts 2 bits as input and produces their sum and carry outputs. Which is suitable means option A, half adder, option B, full adder, option C, multiplier, D, all of the above. For that, option A is the right answer. That is half adder. Third quiz. A logic circuit that accepts two 1-bit signals and a carry input as input and produces their sum and carry as outputs. Option A, half adder. Option B, full adder. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none. For that, right answer becomes full adder. It is option B is the right answer. Fourth quiz. An adder circuit for adding multi-bit number and accepting all the bits simultaneously. Serial adder, parallel adder, both A and B, none. It is parallel adder. Option B is the right answer. Frequently asked questions. Implement 4-bit parallel adder by using full adders. Next, explain the working of 4-bit parallel adder by using full adders with neat sketch. So today we discussed about the parallel adder, how parallel adder is added, bits are added in parallel adder, and how carry is generated and how carry is forwarded to the next higher bit. All these are discussed, and to add n number of bits we need n number of full adders. These details we discussed today.